Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install Windows 11 using a Microsoft account. For the purposes of this demonstration, we are assuming you have a bootable DVD or USB and know how to boot from it. Begin by booting from your device to get to Windows Setup. On the Setup screen, choose the language, currency format, and keyboard. Then click Next. On the next screen, click Install Now. It is best not to enter a product key at this stage. You can enter it once your installation is complete if necessary. Click I don't have a product key. Now click on the version of Windows you want to install. Then click Next. Read the software license terms. Click the checkbox to indicate you accept the terms. Then click Next. Click for a customized install. If you are reusing a disk or installing onto a used PC, you may be presented with a disk showing one or more volumes. If so, click on each volume, then click Delete until the entire disk is displayed as unallocated space. Then click Next. The installation of Windows will now begin. The PC will restart several times during the installation. If necessary, choose the correct country, then press Yes. If necessary, choose the correct keyboard, then press Yes. Choose if you want to add a second keyboard layout. Enter a name for the computer. The computer will restart. Usually, you would click to set up for personal use. Then click Next. Click Sign In. Enter your email address. Then click Next. If you use the Authenticator app to authenticate with Microsoft, open it and follow the instructions. If you don't, you must enter your password. Your settings, files, and apps can be restored from another computer. Or click View More Settings, and you can set up this computer as a new device. If setting up as a new device, you must enter a PIN twice. Click Create PIN. Then, enter, and re-enter, the PIN. Click OK. Now it is a simple matter of reading the questions that are put, and giving the answers. Windows is now installed with a Microsoft account. That concludes this presentation of how to install Windows 11 with a Microsoft account. We hope you have found it useful. Thank you for watching.